Somewhere in 1948, a few well-meaning members from Rajasthan, by now residents of Mumbai, had followed a tradition of meeting on the first day of Diwali to share the joy of the festival. The joyous get-togethers went along for a couple of years, and during one such meeting, an idea was born. Why not spread the joy and share this happiness with the larger community around? And what better way than launching a school for the girl child? Birth of Sarvodaya Balika Vidyalaya, now known as Kudilal Govindram Saxeria Vidyalaya. Presently, students from all communities get education by paying very nominal fees. In 2010, an English medium school by the name of Kudilal Govindram Saxeria English School was started, attached to the SSC Board of Maharashtra, that currently has a strength of about 1,000 students. The success of the Kudilal Govindram Saxeria Sarvodaya School created a need for a junior college. Thus, Durga Devi Saraf Junior College was launched in 1975. Today, the college has about 3,800 students on board. Equipped with excellent information technology and science laboratories, it is also known for its sports background, winning several awards at the state level. The success of Durga Devi Saraf Junior College created the need for a degree college. The Sammelan accepted the challenge and launched Ghanshyamdas Saraf College of Arts and Commerce in 1983. Accredited with A grade from NAC, the college is presently running 7 undergraduate courses and 3 postgraduate courses with more than 4,200 students. Always in search for excellence, Rajasthani Sammelan decided to start the Ram Nivas Bajaj English High School and cater to the ICSC board curriculum in the school. Ram Nivas Bajaj English High School presently has about 300 students and is one of the most sought-after schools in this category. Appreciating the need for courses which need active industry interface, in 2005, Rajasthani Sammelan launched a very novel institution, Kiran Devi Saraf Institute of Complete Learning, which offers vocational, professional and career-oriented undergraduate and postgraduate courses. To keep pace with the rapidly changing global scenario and globalization, Rajasthani Sammelan launched Maina Devi Bajaj International School, affiliated to Cambridge University, UK, and registered with Cambridge International Examination Centre. The school is also affiliated to IBO Geneva and is offering the IBTP program. It is the only IBO authorized school in the Malad area. The school has state-of-the-art facilities in terms of learning and teaching. Rashi Peripherals Play Area at Maina Devi Bajaj International School provides the much-needed space and opportunity for children to interact and develop socialization skills and refresh themselves during recess. During the play hours, children can use the play area, which is equipped with slides, merry-go-round, and many other play equipments. To cater to the growing need for professionally trained managers to power the growth all around the country, Rajasthani Sammelan accepted yet another challenge and launched Durga Devi Saraf Institute of Management Studies, housed in an artistically constructed 12-storied tower with eminent faculty members. The management school delivers programs in MMS and PGDM programs approved by AICTE and University of Mumbai. The management school is already a hub for professional business-related educational activities. The Murlidhar Karwa Knowledge Resource Center, stocked with over 4,000 books, subscriptions to various magazines and e-journals, provides the knowledge resource to students and faculty members in a stimulating ambience. The Beni Prasad Luharuka Computer Lab, equipped with 120 computers with high-speed internet connectivity, licensed system and application software, is a valuable resource for the students in this era of online education. With the advent of explosion of media all over, Rajasthani Sammelan thought that it was necessary to have an exhaustive media school. Thus, Devi Prasad Goenka Management Institute of Media Studies appeared on the horizon with an active media lab and a professional sound recording studio. The Devi Prasad Goenka Management Institute of Media Studies at the moment caters to acting, sound recording, ad filmmaking and direction courses as well as media business management courses. Heartening to know, in its infancy itself, the students have won a couple of national and international awards in various film festivals. With a brand new media tower to be launched in July 2013, housing professional audio and video studios, preview theatre, and an open-air auditorium at the top, Devi Prasad Goenka Management Institute of Media Studies will surely be a media landmark in this part of Asia. The desire to serve the entire community belonging to any caste, creed or religion is intense even today, and hence Rajasthani Sammelan has come up with an ambitious project like the Draupadi Devi Savarmal Women's Hostel, a state-of-the-art 100-bedded hostel to provide residential accommodation to girl students who do not have residential facilities in Mumbai. The hostel needs to be seen to be believed. Or for that matter, take the case of students in need of appropriate counselling. Sensing the relevant need, Rajasthani Sammelan created the Ramdar Maheshwari Career Counselling Centre for counselling students from any institution in Mumbai and is ready to help students by providing professional service in the development of their careers. In this age of instant mobile connectivity, the need to communicate all across the globe is of paramount importance. Devendra Lat Communication Centre provides state-of-the-art video conferencing facilities. The impact of this facility would prove to be far-reaching in terms of instant global connectivity. Nakmal Garodia Seminar Hall has been created to host meaningful national and international level seminars. How can sports lag behind? The Praveen Chandra D. Shah Sports Complex will be ready by the end of 2013 to be used by students of all the institutes. The story goes on and on. For the last 6 decades, Rajasthani Sammelan, with utter dedication and selfless hard work, have been successful in launching 14 educational institutions, catering to more than 13,500 students a day, all under one roof. No wonder then that Rajasthani Sammelan Complex has become a synonym for excellence in education and service beyond self.